Alright guys, and welcome to this video. If you can remember clearly, when Trust Wallet did their Airdrop, they also run a point campaign whereby they rewarded users who actually interacted on their app before their official launch. Arichain is no different because Arichain is here to actually reward users who are currently earning their points. So looking down right here, you can see this is where they actually launched officially on 11th of January 2025. And over here guys, they give us the guideline on how you can be able to participate and be able to claim enough points, which is later going to be converted to their main token. Rumor has it that Arichain is going to be distributing their token in the ratio of 1:1, whereby 1 point is actually equivalent to $1. But that is just a rumor, meaning that we could actually see a result that is less than that. But at the meantime, we are concerned with how we can be able to gather those points so that we can be able to earn a maximum reward when they are finally going to be doing their TGE. So at first question is, what is Arichain? Looking up here, you can see they give us the definition saying that Arichain is a platform that bridge Web 2 companies to Web 3, driving new advancements in entertainment and content experience. So right now, with that being said, we are going to be discussing how you can be able to participate and gather much points, and also I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to secure your account so that you won't be able to lose it for no good reason. Also coming down right here, you can see 2 days ago they made this announcement saying that they actually launched a Galxe quest whereby you need to actually go and complete some few things and be able to claim their maximum reward. Looking down right here, you can see they also say that the gas fee is going to be covered by the team, meaning that you do not need to pay any gas fee while interacting with this project. So with that being said, let's now get straight to the point and of course start talking about how to participate on these airdrops. So if you are coming across our channel for the first time, please do well to like and subscribe to our channel so that you will always be notified on any new update that we will be dropping regularly. Also join our Telegram using the link on the video description box to always get updated on all things crypto. So with that being said, let's now get started on how to start this airdrop properly. Go to your Play Store, go and type in Ari-wallet. Once the result pops up, you go ahead and install the app, then you open it up just like I'm opening mine right now. So coming over here right now, the first thing you need to do is to first of all select testnet because they are not yet on their mainnet. So we select testnet like this, it will load up immediately, and this is going to be taking us to the next step where we need to actually input our email address and of course create password. All right, that is if you have already created an account, but if you haven't created an account yet, you go ahead and click on sign up. All right, so coming over here on sign up, you need to agree to their terms of use and all that. You click on next, and right here you need to of course input your email address, verify it, and also input your password, then confirm your password. But most importantly, you need to come over here. You can see we have referral code right here. The referral code is going to be on our Telegram channel because that is where all the links are. And coming over here to our Telegram channel, you can see this is the referral code that you need to input right there. Okay, so coming over here right now, I need to input my email and set up my password, then input my referral code, then I will click on continue. And once you are done with that step, you are going to be taken straight into your own account. So looking over here right now, you can see we have the daily check-in. This is of course the first and the best way to actually earn token regularly. So over here guys, you need to actually complete daily check-in regularly. You click on check-in to actually get some additional points. But looking on the main page, you can see that we already got 50 points. Now the question is, where does that 50 points actually come from? You can see we already got 50 points right here. It has now changed to 60. The 50 points is actually coming from the referral bonus. All right, so once you use the referral code to sign up, you are going to be getting 50 Ari right now. Okay, so that is how simple it is to create your account. And right now the second question is, how do you secure your account? So to be able to secure your account, what you need to do is simply go ahead and click on this straight line. Once you click on the straight line, then you click on this gear button right here, and over here you can see we have a view master key. Once you click on this view master key right here, you are going to be asked to actually input the already created password. Once you input the password, they are now going to be giving you your recovery pin or your recovery key. Make sure you write those recovery keys and store it where it is very secure, because if you want to be logging in later, you are going to be needing your recovery key, or if you want to be logging into another wallet, you are going to be needing your recovery key. And if you don't have your recovery keys, you are not going to be able to secure your account later in case anything happens to this account. So right now guys, we need to go back right now, and the second way to actually earn from this, or the second way actually, is to simply go ahead and of course click on this trade line one more time. Then you can see we have the daily quiz right here. You select the daily quiz, then over here guys, on the daily quiz you are going to be asked some certain question which you need to answer. Okay, so I will click on this, then select today's quiz. Okay, this is going to be loading up right now, but the best and the good news right now is that we always expose the answers to those daily quiz always. Okay, you can see for today we have already shown the answer right here, and the answer is B. Okay, the answer is B. So we go back and of course select the answer, which is B right now. Then we go ahead and click on check. Okay, so this is going to be checking if your answer is correct or not, and if your answer is correct, you are going to be given 10 Arichain. Okay, so right now we go ahead and click on OK. So we have now discussed two ways to earn, and the first one is using the referral code, second one is checking in daily, and of course this is actually the third one, and the third one is answering the daily quiz, which we are going to be providing the answers always on our Telegram channel. So the next way to earn is for you to actually refer people into this project or into this airdrop. So to be able to refer people, what you need to do is to simply go ahead and click on this trade line, and of course your referral code is going to be shown immediately. Anyone that registers using the referral code, you are going to be getting 100 Arichain, and also the person is going to be getting 50 Arichain. So those are the ways that you actually earn from this current project that we are talking about. So right now, let's go ahead and of course talk about their new quest, which is of course the Galxe quest. So we need to go ahead and of course click on this, and once the page opens up, this is exactly what you are going to be seeing. So if you have not yet created an account on Galxe, you need to go ahead and of course create your account, link your Discord and all your socials to the Galxe account. And once you have opened the link, which is of course the link that leads to where we are going to be completing the Arichain airdrop quest on Galxe, this is exactly what you're going to be seeing. And what you need to do from here is to simply go ahead and follow them on Twitter, follow their Ari-wallet on Twitter as well. Just go ahead and complete this task. But the one that I think you may find a little bit difficult is of course this one right here. Okay, sorry, this one right here, which is getting the role on Discord server. So I'm going to be trying to do it right here on this video. So I will go ahead and first of all click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to be taken to the Discord, where you need to join Discord and of course get the friends role. Okay, so finally coming over here to the Arichain Discord server, you can see that this is how everything looks like, and of course you can go ahead and of course refer your friends right here. And to be able to get the Ari friends role, all you need to do is simply make sure that you are a member of this server, and also make sure that you are very active and support their server, and in that way that's how you get your Ari friends role. All right, so right now going back to the main page, which is where we were completing the Galxe quest, you can see right here guys that I've successfully completed this one. So right now I will go ahead and complete all this one immediately. Okay, right now I have successfully completed all the tasks right here, so I will go ahead and click on participate. All right, so you can see this is going to be asking me to the compliance reminder, all this blah blah blah. I will go ahead and click on approve. Okay, so I want to click on approve. This is going to be loading up real quick, and this is going to be telling you that you have successfully completed this task. All right, so over here guys, you can see this is it. This means that we are done. They are now showing you some other things that you can do right here on the platform, but that is not our concern for now. So we go back right now, and of course once you have gotten to this point, you can see right here that we have 4 days and 2 hours before this event right here on Galxe actually ends. And this is simply how you participate, and these are all you need to do right now in order for you to position very well for the Ari-wallet airdrop that is coming soon. Do not joke with this. Make sure you participate on it right now and stay positioned for what is coming. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video that will be dropping immediately after this one. Thank you, and I'll talk to you very soon.